Capture it. Keep it at a distance. It's resisting. I can't find a way in. It's too strong. It's not enough to distract it. Weaken it.
Lydia, you set?
Fight it. Exhaust it.
All right, Beastie Boy. Let's do this.
Okay, Kyle. Don't get too close. Damn it! Weaken it more. Just try not to kill it.
Is that enough?
You idiot! You killed him!
No. No. He's just taking a little nap. Now do your thing, and do it quick, because I'm too tired to knock him out again.
Easy, Lydia. He's alive. You can do it.
One moment. Okay, yes, it's working. I've got him.
Now, Kyle, to stabilize him, we need to inject him with your blood plasma.
Now you tell me this?
That should return him to his fully human form. Did I neglect to mention that?
Fuck, fine. I've bled all over the valley. Why not donate some to this poor bastard?
Okay, he is stable and under my control. There's nothing more you could do here. Let's take him to the cave. Join us when you're ready, Kyle.
Kyle, the Rangers tell me that